next episode of Sugar series, I'll be talking about this rich, dark brown liquid known as burnt sugar syrup. We also call it brownie. Now, this is seen in cake stores and also at the mall, but you know that they are very, very simple to make. I would like to first apologize for the sound of my voice all through this video because I had a bad cold which resulted into a bad cough, and so it affected my voice. Now I'm making use of brown sugar. You can use your regular white sugar, but the difference between using a dark brown sugar or a brown sugar to using a white sugar is that the syrup is going to be darker in color. That's all. And also it's going to have a distinct flavor. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to heat up my sugar on low heat, what we call caramelizing. Heat it up till my sugar is dissolved, and now you notice a lot of bubbles. Please keep your eye on your saucepan or on the sugar so that your bubbles doesn't spill out. Now I remove the sugar from heat. I remove the saucepan from the heat rather, and allow the bubbles settle a little. Next, I added the next important item: boiling water. The water must be boiling, and I'll add it little by little, so that you don't have spillage all over your work surface. Now be very careful when working with sugar syrup. They are quite hot, and keep your kids away from you while doing this. Please check the description box below for a link to the detailed recipe. If you are still watching, it means you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Next, I return the syrup back to medium or low heat, and I kept stirring it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and this is ready. This is the thickness I want, and this is perfect. See the thickness, see how beautiful and how simple it is to make. Now a quick tip: once you're through with making your syrup, add fresh water into your saucepan and also insert your wooden spatula. Allow it to boil for a few minutes so that it washes your pot for you well, or saucepan. Now remember to subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, tag me to your creation. See you next.